From the heart of Africa, a visionary inventor is changing the world. Yo, I am Dr. Cool. A new dawn is here that is poised to change the narrative of energy dominance. Maxwell Chikumbutso, born in Zimbabwe, is making dreams of self-powered technology a reality. His passion for innovation led him to develop incredible inventions. One of his most remarkable creations is a drone that can fly without needing to be recharged. This incredible breakthrough has the potential to revolutionize various industries. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of Maxwell Chikumbutso and his self-powered drone technology. Let's delve into the future of technology, where energy limitations are a thing of the past. Maxwell Chikumbutso is not your everyday inventor. He is a self-taught engineer with a burning desire to solve complex problems. From a young age, Chikumbutso displayed a natural curiosity and talent for understanding how things work. This led him to experiment with different technologies, always seeking new and innovative solutions. His journey has been marked by relentless dedication and an unwavering belief in his vision. Chikumbutso's story is an inspiration to aspiring inventors and a testament to the power of human ingenuity. He proves that with passion and perseverance, even the most ambitious dreams can take flight. The dream of perpetual flight has captivated humanity for centuries. Imagine drones that can fly for hours, days, or even weeks without needing to land for recharging. This is the promise of self-powered drone technology, a field that aims to eliminate the limitations of battery life. Traditional drones rely on batteries that need frequent recharging, limiting their operational time and range. Chikumbutso's invention challenges this constraint, offering a glimpse into a future where drones can fly autonomously for extended periods. This breakthrough has the potential to revolutionize industries such as agriculture, surveillance, and delivery services. The quest for self-powered flight is a journey toward a future where the sky is truly the limit. At the heart of Chikumbutso's invention lies a revolutionary technology that generates power from radio waves. This innovative system captures energy from the surrounding environment, providing a continuous power source for the drone. The drone's design incorporates specialized antennas that capture radio frequency, RF energy, similar to how a radio receives signals. This energy is then converted into electricity to power the drone's motors and onboard systems. This ingenious approach eliminates the need for heavy batteries, significantly extending the drone's flight time. Chikumbutso's invention is a paradigm shift in drone technology, paving the way for a new era of self-powered aerial vehicles. Section 5. Advantages of self-powered drones, efficiency, and beyond. The implications of self-powered drones extend far beyond longer flight times. These drones offer numerous advantages that can transform various sectors, making them more efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly. One of the most significant benefits is the reduction in downtime. Traditional drones require frequent battery swaps, leading to interruptions in operation. Self-powered drones eliminate this downtime, allowing for continuous operation and increased productivity. Moreover, the elimination of bulky batteries reduces the drone's weight, making it more agile and maneuverable. This enhanced agility is particularly valuable in applications such as aerial photography, surveillance, and inspection, where precise movements are crucial. Section 6. Expanding the horizons, self-power in other technologies. The principles behind Chikumbutso's self-powered drone have the potential to revolutionize more than just aerial vehicles. This groundbreaking technology could be applied to a myriad of other fields, fundamentally changing how we interact with the world around us. Imagine a world where everyday devices and technologies are powered not by batteries or power outlets, but by harnessing energy from their surroundings. This could mean smartphones that never need to be plugged in, laptops that charge themselves as you work in the park, and wearable devices that draw energy from your own body heat or movement. From smartphones and laptops to electric cars and even entire homes, self-powered technology could transform our relationship with energy. Electric cars could charge themselves while parked or even while driving, reducing the need for charging stations and making long-distance travel more convenient. Homes could become self-sustaining with roofs covered in solar panels that not only power the house but also store excess energy for later use. Wireless charging systems could become ubiquitous, freeing us from the constraints of power cords and charging stations. Imagine public parks and cafes equipped with wireless charging zones, where your devices automatically charge as you enjoy your day. This would not only enhance convenience but also reduce electronic waste by extending the lifespan of our devices. In the realm of renewable energy, self-powered systems could enhance the efficiency of solar panels and wind turbines, making them more reliable and accessible. Solar panels could capture and store energy more effectively, even on cloudy days, while wind turbines could operate more efficiently in varying wind conditions, ensuring a steady supply of renewable energy. The possibilities are vast and inspiring, limited only by our imagination. As we continue to innovate and explore the potential of self-powered technology, we move closer to a future where energy is abundant, sustainable, and seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. Section 7. The importance of self-sufficiency in technology. As our reliance on technology continues to grow, so too does the need for self-sufficiency. In today's interconnected world, technology is not just a luxury, but a necessity. From communication to transportation, healthcare to education, every aspect of our lives is intertwined with technological advancements. However, this growing dependence also brings vulnerabilities. Power outages, cyber attacks, and supply chain disruptions can have far-reaching consequences. Therefore, achieving self-sufficiency in technology is not just about convenience, it's about resilience and security. Self-powered technologies offer a path towards a more sustainable and resilient future, reducing our dependence on fossil fuels and centralized power grids. Renewable energy sources like wind, solar, and hydropower are not only environmentally friendly but also provide a decentralized approach to energy production. This decentralization can help mitigate the risks associated with centralized power systems, such as large-scale blackouts and infrastructure failures. Moreover, the adoption of electric vehicles and energy-efficient appliances further contributes to reducing our carbon footprint. In a world facing climate change and resource depletion, embracing self-sufficiency is paramount. The effects of climate change are becoming increasingly evident, with extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and shifting ecosystems. By investing in self-sufficient technologies, we can better adapt to these changes and reduce our impact on the planet. This includes not only renewable energy, but also sustainable agriculture, water conservation, and waste management practices. Self-powered devices can operate independently of traditional power sources, making them ideal for remote areas, disaster relief efforts, and other situations where access to electricity is limited. In disaster-stricken regions, these technologies can provide critical support, ensuring that essential services remain operational. For rural communities, self-sufficient technologies can bridge the gap, offering reliable power and connectivity where traditional infrastructure is lacking. By empowering individuals and communities with self-sufficient technologies, we can create a more equitable and sustainable world. Access to reliable energy and technology can transform lives, providing opportunities for education, economic growth, and improved quality of life. Community-driven initiatives such as local solar panel installations and wind energy projects demonstrate the power of collective action in achieving self-sufficiency. Chikumbutso's inventions serve as a beacon, guiding us towards a future where energy limitations are a relic of the past. His work exemplifies the potential of innovative thinking and technological advancement in overcoming the challenges of energy scarcity. By continuing to support and develop self-sufficient technologies, we can pave the way for a more resilient, sustainable, and equitable future for all. Section 8. Conclusion: a future powered by innovation. Maxwell Chikumbutso's journey is a testament to the power of human ingenuity. From humble beginnings, he has risen to become a beacon of hope and a symbol of what is possible when one dares to dream. His story is not just about personal success, it is about the collective potential of humanity to overcome obstacles and achieve greatness, and the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. His self-powered drone is not merely an invention, it represents a leap forward in technology and sustainability. This drone, capable of operating without traditional fuel sources, opens up new avenues for exploration and application in various fields, from agriculture to disaster management. It is a symbol of a future where innovation knows no bounds. As we stand on the cusp of a new technological era, we must recognize the importance of nurturing such groundbreaking ideas. The advancements we make today will pave the way for a more efficient, sustainable, and interconnected world tomorrow. It is essential to embrace the spirit of innovation and support visionary thinkers like Chikumbutso. Their breakthroughs have the potential to revolutionize industries and improve the quality of life for people around the globe. By fostering a culture of creativity and collaboration, we can unlock solutions to some of the most pressing challenges facing our planet, to address some of the world's most pressing challenges and create a brighter future for all. Let us strive to create a world where energy is abundant, accessible, and sustainable, powered by the ingenuity and determination of those who dare to dream big. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind power are just the beginning. Imagine a world where clean energy is the norm and our reliance on fossil fuels is a thing of the past, where energy is abundant, accessible, and sustainable, powered by the ingenuity and determination of those who dare to dream big. The future is not just about technological advancements, it is about creating a harmonious balance between progress and preservation. By investing in sustainable practices and innovative technologies, we can ensure that future generations inherit a planet that is thriving and resilient. The future is unwritten, and it's up to us to shape it with innovation, creativity, and a relentless pursuit of a better tomorrow. Let us be inspired by the visionaries among us and work together to build a world where technology serves humanity and the environment. The journey ahead is filled with challenges and brighter than ever for Africa and the world, but with determination, and a collective effort, we can create a future that is bright, sustainable, and full of promise. As always, I am Dr. Cool. Ensure to like, share the excitement for a new dawn of awakening green energy, sustainable, renewable, and most importantly, it won't be monetized by politicians or big corporations, but decentralized and even more. It's absolutely free. Now, if you will excuse me, gentlemen and ladies, I have a flight to catch and a self-powered car to drive.